If you want to connect USB drive into your Redmi 15, first of all, you will have to start by opening System Settings, go to the Additional Settings, and right now just make sure that you have turned on OTG connection, just like this. And now it actually depends on your USB drive model. So if you've got with the USB-C end, you can just quickly plug it into the port. But if you've got with USB-A, then you will have to get this kind of the adapter from USB-A into USB-C. It looks just like this. Now you will have to plug it into the USB-C port. And now after a few seconds, you should get automatic opened of your USB drive like this. You can click to explore. And now, as you can see, we are here. We get access into everything that is on our USB drive.